Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete a page in Word. Friends, if you want to delete a complete page in Word document, then you simply need to open your Word file. Like in my file, there are 9 pages. So first you need to go to the page which you want to delete. Like I want to delete the 4th page. So I need to click anywhere on the page which I want to delete, and after that I need to press Ctrl G on my keyboard. Now here you need to select go to page and here type \page. Now click on go to. Now your complete page is selected. Like in my case I am on the 4th page, so it has selected the complete page. Now I simply need to press the delete button on my keyboard. Now my complete 4th page is deleted, and here also you can see now there is 8 pages in my document. So one page is deleted from my Word file. So friends, like this you can very easily delete a page in Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.